This brand is made in America and is a part of Johnson Controls. The units are sold through dealers in the USA and Canada and are backed by a good guarantee, but they do not offer a model that qualifies for the HvacRepairGuy Ultimate category. All of their units feature indoor coil freeze protection and an I-feel temperature sensing remote control, but they only have standard washable filters that don't really do much to raise the indoor air quality. The M series models are basic 16-seer multi-zone heat pumps, while the W series offers premium 22-seer multi-zone units. The P series offers single-zone cool-only or heat pump models rated for either 115 volts or 208/230 volts. The R series features single-zone heat pumps with a 20-seer efficiency, while the X series has 23-seer ratings. The Z series models are their quietest heat pumps with an indoor unit sound rating below that of a Whisper. They have a 7-speed indoor fan and a 28-seer efficiency for comfort and energy savings.